So, of course, this hair is by LUVME Hair. And LUVME Hair gives all the best goodies in the bag. So, when you first open it, of course, your hair is right there. But, of course, you know, I got it in. So, it comes with this thank you paper. Enjoy your hair and your hair journey. And it comes with all these goodies. LUVME Hair gives the best goodies. So, the first goodie is this cute little hologram bag. It's so cute and it has stuff in it. So of course they have an edge brush to do your edges with. It has this cool looking headband. Now this headband is totally different from the other headbands. You can bend it and twist it and do whatever you would like with this headband, and I will put that to the side. It also comes with an elastic band, some bobby pins, and some cute LUVME clips. And it also comes with some tweezers as well. So I will put everything back in the bag. Things that come in the box is, of course, your wig caps. And you got a whole nother bag full of headbands. Like, how much better can it get? So, of course, you do have a whole nother pack full of headbands. And it is about, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 headbands all come in the bag. I'm gonna get right into the pros of this hair. So this hair is a really good length. I believe it may be a good 10 or 12 inch wig. Now the ends are super thick, super blunt. Absolutely love it. This hair is amazing. So the ends are really thick. This hair is really soft, nice and silky. And you don't have to worry about the front being a little too thin. Y'all know on like most bobs, the front is really too thin. But because this is a headband wig, it's supposed to have the push back look. Everything is so thick. This hair is so nice and flowy. You don't have no problems, no shedding, no tangling. Like, this is really nice and silky hair from LUVME Hair. So I am very impressed with that. Now I am going to show y'all exactly how I installed this wig. So I am going to take it off. I do have it hooked in the back, and I have my cap underneath. This is exactly what the wig looks like. Nice and silky. It flows. It has a slight shine to it. The ends are nice and thick. And you turn around to the back of the wig. It is so good. Nice. Fingers go right through it. You have no problems. So there is a clip at the top. There is clips on the side. And there's also a clip at the bottom. Now with this wig, it does not have the bands on the side to make it a little bit tighter. But with this wig, I don't know if y'all can see that, but it does stretch. It does stretch. So if your head is a little big, it will stretch. It does stretch on the side if you need to pull it and make it a little bit bigger. Y'all see that? So that is a really good thing I noticed with this wig that a lot of companies do not have on their other wigs. And this band is super thick. Y'all see how thick this band is? It's so thick and it does stretch. And that's how big the bands are. So you can hook it and it gives you a good enough space to put it as much as you want. So the band is also kind of like a silkier material. Not too silky, more like a thin elastic. So it's not too thick where it's going to make your head hurt. So I am just going to take it and just put it on. I don't like to actually use my combs because they do hurt my head. So I am just going to take it and I am going to put it on the very last one, slick it back, and boom, there it is. So simple. Took like 10 seconds, probably not even that. And now I'm back looking like a goddess. So that is the best thing about this wig. Now I am going to show some of this headband. So I do have this headband out. This is the new headband that this is probably the only company that I've seen this so far. So with this headband, I am going to put it across. My hair is so silky. So I am going to put it across And I am just going to take a look at my mirror. And you just simply tie it however you want to tie it. You could tie it just like, let me move it some. Just like that if you want. I don't really have it in the middle. And it basically forms with your head. This is so cute. I'm sorry. It's, you know, I'm getting real excited right now. So yes, it basically forms with your head. That is how it looks around, and you can move it however you want, because this is like, it's sort of like a wire, you know, the ones that just form with your head no matter how you place it and move, and it will go right back. And you can do it just like this. And all I'm doing at the end is basically tucking it in, and it adds that extra to your hair. So it's very cute. This is what it looks like up close. I did just put it right on top of my band, and that is all I did. I just put it right on top of my band to add a little bit color to it. Now you can just swing it all the way around and just have it nice and flat at the top instead of the wraparound. And with this headband, you can also, if you want, like, you can tie it in a bow if you want, and just have it like that to make like a cute bow at the top, and have it just like that. Super cute. You could put it to the side if you want. Super cute. How cute is this? Like, this is so cute. So cute. Super cute. So that's exactly how it looks. And you can also take this, and I am going to take it down. You can stretch it out. It's pretty long. It's like about long as my arm, so it's pretty long. You can stretch it out. It bends, it curves, it does all of that however you want. So put another headband with this so y'all can see exactly what it looks like. Now these headbands are nice cotton. They're super soft, and they're good for the holidays and the holiday season since it is so cold outside. So I am just going to put it around my head. Make sure all the hair is out. And you just simply put it just like that to hide the headband. And that's all you have to do with these headband wigs. And you have a style in basically 5 seconds. And it's so perfect for any kind of occasion. If you want to go work out, you put a headband on and just go work out. For everybody who's natural, I'm natural, so I like it. It's very convenient with no absolute problems. This length is so perfect. It's not too long, it's not too short, and it's not all in your face. So it's definitely really good for that. And another thing I take with my headbands, and I put it over my ears. That's exactly what I do. I take it and put it over my ears and everything. And it is super cute just like that. Super cute. So yes, this headband does not catch on the elastic band in the back. Like a lot of the headbands I have, especially the curly ones, it catches on the back tab, and this one does not at all. Since it's a silky or straight hair, it does not catch at all on the back, and I haven't had no problem since installing this hair on anything catching on the back. So what I am going to do, I am going to hook the front because I want to see if I am able to put some up. Up, there's half up, half down. This is so cute. I didn't expect it was gonna be this cute, but it is so cute. So all I did was wrap a little piece of hair around my ponytail, and that's about it. But I do have half up, half down, and I am going to turn around in the back so y'all can see what the back looks like. And I am going to back up a little bit. Back up a little bit so y'all can actually see the actual style. So let me put another bobby pin because it is so silky, so it is unraveling just a tad bit. And I do not have a problem with my bobby pins going through this wig at all. And you know, usually some wigs you'll have a problem catching a net, but I'm not having no problems at all with the bobby pins going. So I am going to turn around. So this is exactly what it looks like in the back. The hair goes just about right there. My ponytail is right there. You can't see no tracks whatsoever in the back. And I just have the original black on. If you were to put another headband on, it will be perfectly fine. But yeah, so that's exactly what it looks like in the back. It's super soft, super silky, no problems at all. Now, getting into the cons of this hair, like the color is super dark to me. It looks like it's more of a black color than a brown. But it is maybe a dark brown. I'm not really sure, but it does look more black a little bit. And that's probably it. But I haven't had any tangling or shedding or anything. The hair is really thick. For it to be a bob, that is so good. And I don't like bobs that catch on my shoulder, so this isn't catching. I'm happy I'm not getting any nests in the back. This is hair. It's really good. Now, the only other thing, you know, it's just a little bit dark, which is fine. You know, it's enough to get away with. It's not brown. And another thing, I think it takes heat a little bit too well, because every time I do bump it, it kind of like curves back a little bit to stay in place. So I am going to just try to curl it just a little bit so I can see if it actually does curl. I'm just going to take a little piece, not too much. So yes, oh, that's cute, y'all. I did not expect this. So it does curl. It does curl, y'all. That's so cute. It's so cute. So it does curl. Okay, so I did try to straighten it back, but it's getting really hot. So I'm pretty sure it will straighten back eventually whenever it does cool down. But that is it. It's LUVME Hair Company. This is LUVME Hair Company. This is perfect for all your hair needs. You won't go wrong. It's nice and silky. You won't have to worry about your hair being tangled up. Y'all, I'm like just running my fingers through this hair with absolutely no problem. Like, this is definitely the FaceTime wig. Like, definitely the FaceTime wig. The wig you hurry up and grab before you get on FaceTime with no problem. This is it. So like I did say, I will leave everything listed down below. If you do like this video, please give me a thumbs up, and I will see y'all in my next video. And thank y'all again for watching.